Hello everyone, welcome to our health coaching presentation. My name is Michelle and I'm one of the health coaches at Best Health. Today I have my fellow coaches and co-presenters, Amanda Abbs.
Hi everyone, thanks for joining us.
And Monica Rivas.
Hi everyone.
So together we'll be sharing with you some information about our health coaching program.
So once again, thank you for joining us. This is Amanda. I'm one of the health coaches here at Best Health. And with our presentation today, we're going to really be focusing in on what health coaching is, how you can get started, the kind of details and information around what a coaching relationship might look like, the best health coaching programs that we offer to our members, who you can expect to be on the other end of the line that you're getting coached by, and then just a quick overview of Best Health.
Once again, hi everyone and welcome to our presentation. My name is Monica and I'm also one of the health coaches here at Best Health. And so the big question, what is health coaching? Well, it's professional support to help you discover, realize, and set your health goals through lifestyle and behavioral modification. So we want to distinguish a little bit about what your coach will and will not do. Sometimes there may be some misconceptions around that topic. But before I go over what we will not do, I really want to focus on how we will support you. First off, we want to help you identify your health risks. And I think that's we think it's a great starting point by reviewing those health risks and also lifestyle habits. This will help us create that wellness plan that is specifically tailored to meet your needs. We're also a positive support system and your best ally. So think of us sort of as your personal cheerleader. So we're there to support you through this process of reaching your health goals, not only when things are good, but also especially during those occasional challenges. So as we know, life can throw us a curveball from time to time. So we'll be there to help facilitate those difficult conversations sometimes to get you through those challenging moments. Also, we're there to bridge the gap between where you are now and where you see yourself in the future. So we're all pretty much equipped with that knowledge of what constitutes a healthy individual. Sometimes the hardest part is putting that knowledge into action. So we definitely want to support you with those tools that you'll need to help you meet and succeed with your goals. And then finally, we want to provide a confidential partnership and accountability that supports healthy lifestyle changes. So we're absolutely there to help create that safe space for you. We know that by creating that safe space, it'll help you feel comfortable and it'll help that collaborative relationship with your health coach as well. Now, some of the things the coach will not do is diagnose, prescribe, or deliver medical advice or treatment, provide therapy or counseling, promote or sell specific diets, exercise plans, or other health-related products, and then also tell you what to do or try to fix you. We're really here to empower you with that knowledge. So if we feel, or if you even share with us you might need some resources outside of health coaching, then we'll definitely get you connected to those resources.
Thank you, Monica. So how do you get started? The process is fairly simple. You can visit yourbesthealth.com and then complete the consultation form. This form is fairly simple to complete, by the way. We're going to ask you for a few times that are convenient for you, and that's how we match you with a coach based on your preferred dates and times. You'll be connected with the coach, and then we'll schedule what we call an enrollment/consultation call. At that call, it's a great opportunity for you to speak with the coach and share what brings you to coaching in more detail. As Monica mentioned earlier, we'll direct you to the portal so that you can complete the online assessment, And with this online assessment, risks and strengths will be identified and reviewed during your first call. Your coach will help you set realistic and challenging goals while holding you accountable. And then after each session, of course, you'll end with concise, specific action steps for your week. So basically making an agreement with yourself and with your coach as far as what you plan to do for that next week.
Which kind of brings us to the coaching relationship. This is a special relationship between a member and a coach that ideally you will work together to figure out how you can co-create the most effective use of your time. We'll really look to kind of be positive and supportive throughout the process and within the relationship to look at your wins, what's working, what are your personal strengths, and how can you use those to get to where you want to be in your health. It's also a safe and non-judgmental space so that you can really work through some of those challenges and maybe even kind of dive into building some self-awareness and insights that might spill over into your whole wellness and overall health. Your coach might ask you some tough questions. And regardless of where you are, your coach will definitely support you to meet you where you're at. Whether it's you're ready to take big steps, whether you're ready to you need to take little ones and really kind of go at a slower pace. Whatever works for you, the coach is really going to help to help you develop that plan that's unique and specialized to you.
So our coaching program is designed to emphasize on one of 5 different health topics. We've got healthy weight for individuals who are interested in tracking any weight loss. We've got healthy eating, physical activity, stress management, and tobacco cessation, designed for individuals who are serious about quitting and quitting tobacco or cigarettes. And are thinking of a quit date or perhaps already have one in mind. Now, regardless of the program you choose to focus on, we may set any health-related goals in any of the areas. So we absolutely believe that these are all pretty interrelated. For instance, if you already have a physical activity program in place, chances are not only do you feel better physically, but it also helps with managing stress because you will feel a lot better mentally as well. So you're absolutely the expert of your body, and on some days you may want to focus on a discussion around healthy eating when your focus might be stress management. So again, regardless of the program, we can definitely focus on each of the different components to, again, help you reach those health goals.
So now you may be asking yourself, do I need a coach? Well, if you can identify with any of the statements below, we feel you may benefit from connecting with a coach. I know what to do most of the time. I just need to do it. This is something that I hear often. I don't know about the other ladies, but I know many people come to coaching with a lot of knowledge and self-awareness. It's just a matter of sometimes applying the information or the tools that you have. So that's a very common statement I hear. I lack willpower. That's definitely an area that many people struggle with, and so we can work towards setting our environment to serve us rather than sabotage us. I tend to dabble in the all or nothing mentality. I know I do hear that a lot. We are either on track or off track. And oftentimes the question is not when I get off track, it's not if I get off track, it's when I get off track, because let's face it, we all get off track at one point or another. I need accountability. I think that's one of the most powerful aspects of coaching, is just knowing that you'll be talking with someone, connecting on a weekly basis, and that your coach will hold you accountable in a professional, compassionate manner, and support you in the process. I could be more mindful. Mindfulness is a big buzzword these days, and for good reason. It's been around for a long time, but now we're finding that The practice of mindfulness can really benefit us in all areas, be it health and wellness, work, our home lives. So we can certainly speak to that. And then I tend to self-sabotage. So we certainly can assist in this process, since many of us, and I'd like to say probably most of us, do some sort of self-sabotage. So it's always helpful to have someone to support you and to help you during those difficult times. And once you share where and what your challenges and strengths are, together you and your coach will co-create a health and wellness plan that will help you to achieve your goals.
So who are the best health coaches? Well, we all have bachelors in a health-related field, whether that be nutrition, psychology, or even exercise physiology. We've gone through the process to become nationally board certified health and wellness coaches. So we all have that beautiful little certificate and logo next to our name. Each coach also has at least 6 years of experience working with coaching and helping people reach their health and wellness goals. And of course, I can account for that everyone on this team has a passion for helping others and hearts of gold in terms of really being there to support someone in reaching their best self.
So an overview of the coaching program itself. It is a 6-week phone-based program. Each session is up to 30 minutes long, and the program is at no cost. Just as Amanda mentioned in a previous slide, we are goal-oriented, so we do want to encourage you to set action steps for yourself. This will hopefully help you determine what's working and what may not be working so well along the way. It also helps build self-efficacy and motivation, and these are key components needed to help you maintain consistency with your goals in the long run. Coaches may use biometrics to help customize action plans aimed at improving results, reducing risk levels, and enhancing long-term health. And then again, the areas of focus, as I mentioned earlier, pretty much, you choose an area that you want to focus on, and our discussions can really take any direction, and we can cover all areas just as we progress. We have 2 great ways that you can reach us, either through email at besthealth@sharp.com, and also our toll-free number, 1-877-849-2363. You may contact us if you have any questions as well that perhaps we may not covered during today's presentation, or just for any question or comment that you may have. Again, we want to help build that relationship. If you do decide to join, we want to help you reach your goals, and we want to help you be your best.
And this is just a photo of our team. This is the Best Health team. So we want to thank you for joining us today. We hope that we've answered any questions that you may have about coaching, but know that if you're still not sure, you can always schedule that consultation call, which we mentioned, at no obligation to continue. So we hope to hear from you soon. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thanks for joining us.